Greetings from Playa Long Beach in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. It is a beautiful sandy beach that's almost empty on this 4th of January 2025, a Saturday. It is 10:30 a.m. in the morning and I have been already 3.5 hours, actually 3 hours on land here, and I have 5.5 hours left to explore. And here it came earlier a police officer on a scooter, and then he told me that if I go on the other side my phone can be stolen and my watch and my camera. And I was planning to go to that side because there is Playa Dorada over there in around 3 kilometers. So now I'm just thinking if I should go or not, because if they steal my GoPro then you won't be able to see this episode. So I don't know, but I think I'm gonna try anyway and let's see. But yeah, this is Playa Long Beach, and let's then take a nice swim here in Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. So yeah, I'm in the Caribbean and I'm ready for a swim in the sea. Let's go, people. So I'm still not hesitating if I should go to Playa Dorada or not, but I think I will anyway along the coast. Right, so Playa Long Beach, around 3 kilometers maybe from the cruise port, so easily accessible. And the water looks exactly the same like the previous two beaches I visited, Cosita Rica and Acapulco Beach. So let's then go and have a nice swim here. So the beach is sandy, but here I see there are rocks, pebbles as you walk in to the beach. So I'm okay. The beach as I try to go in. The water doesn't seem super clean today. Hopefully it is a bit better other days. But yeah, it is 24 degrees Celsius right now in the air, and in the sea it is 26.9 satellite measurement. Quite warm. Quite warm, but now we are also closer to the equator compared to Miami. So day 3 of the cruise today is exploring Puerto Plata, and yeah, let's then go and have a swim. All right, amazing, brilliant. Playa Long Beach. So that is a wrap from Playa Long Beach. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and let's see if I will get robbed in Dominican Republic or not. Stay tuned for the next episode to see what happened, if my phone or watch has been stolen. But yeah, that's a wrap, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.